We saw the disastrous effects of budget-busting deficit spending during the catastrophic 4 years of the previous administration. With the eager support of my Democratic colleagues in Congress, the Biden-Harris administration approved $4.7 trillion in new deficit spending, racking up $8.5 trillion in new debt. Now we had the worst inflation in 40 years. When Biden and Harris took office in January 2021, inflation was at just 1.4%, and by the middle of their term, it was over 9%. Inflation is a tax on everyone, but we all know who it hurts the most: the poor, the working class, seniors on fixed incomes, and American families who saw their expenses explode, but no similar increase in their salaries. A balanced budget amendment is a long-debated tool that, if properly structured, could limit Washington's inflationary overspending and ensure that future federal outlays are funded with actual revenue, not debt and money printing.